Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable pressure sensitivity in Krita. First, open Krita. Go to Settings, then click Configure Krita. On Mac, this may be under the Krita menu instead of Settings. Inside the configuration window, select Tablet Settings. Here, choose the correct input API. On Windows, most users should select Windows 8 plus pointer input. Then click OK and restart Krita for the changes to apply. If pressure still doesn't work, go back to the same tablet settings window and try switching to WinTab instead. Then restart Krita again. Many users report that selecting WinTab fixes pressure detection issues. Next, make sure pen pressure is actually enabled in the interface. Go to Settings, Configure Toolbars, choose the main toolbar and add Use Pen Pressure if it's not already there. Then toggle it on in the top toolbar. Also confirm that your brush supports pressure. Not all brushes use pressure by default, and some users fix the issue simply by switching to a pressure-enabled brush. Finally, use the built-in tablet tester inside tablet settings to confirm Krita is detecting pressure input correctly. Restart Krita after any changes, and your pressure sensitivity should now be working. And that's how you enable pressure sensitivity in Krita. Thanks for watching.